This life-saving drone can now be a first responder in any emergency situation. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. It's a Seattle-based startup called Brink that's manufactured a drone that can be used by law enforcement, fire departments, paramedics, and other first responders. This drone, just like an emergency vehicle, has got blue and red lights and a siren. It also can see better than a hawk. It's got a 40 times zoom HD optical camera, a thermal imaging camera to see in the dark and pick up hidden heat signatures, a bright spotlight, and a two-way communication system including a speaker and microphone. It can also get you out of a pinch. It's got a payload system that allows it to carry life-saving supplies. Think about it, being just minutes away from dispatching an EpiPen. Restart a heart with a defibrillator dropped to your location. Someone drowning gets a personal flotation device tossed from the sky above. Imagine the power of putting this drone in danger instead of a human officer at an unfolding charged crime scene. The drone can spot sinister activity to the responding units, pointing out trouble before any cop even arrives on scene. The way it works is smart. When not responding to an emergency situation, it remains in its charging nest until a 911 dispatcher decides to activate a response. It only needs 5 seconds to launch. An operator on the ground can watch a live feed broadcasting from the drone and can carry on a conversation when needed to someone on the ground through the drone's PA speaker and microphone. How would you like this flying over your head? Comment here. And for more crazy cool tech like this, head to cyberguy.com where you can get my newsletter for free.